After talking with hundreds of patients over several years, there are a lot of fears and a lot of worries that start to become reoccurring. One of the major fears and anxieties that we hear about from our patients is the cost of dental implants. There's no denying that these things are expensive. They really are a very nice car, just kind of parked in your mouth. The main thing that patients report back to us is that with dental implants, your quality of life is restored. There's no more worrying that teeth are going to fall out. There's no more fears about ordering certain foods at restaurants. There's no more worries that people are going to see teeth and think things of you, or see your dentures and think something negatively happened throughout your life. Dental implants really are the restart for your life.
My parents, young, my mom wouldn't let me get dental work.
I've had dental problems most of my life. I had braces for 5 or 6 years, and it seemed like that's where a lot of it started. Mm-hmm. And I had a crown put on it, I think when I was about 21. And I don't know if it was, not my good dental care, but I thought I was going to the dentist enough.
Years ago, I was getting really bad face infections and just root canals that they just had to keep redoing to the point I was just in constant pain.
Funny, my wisdom teeth came in and they came in sideways, so it pushed everything forward, and that started breaking teeth.
So I have a life history of abuse, trauma, and it's a given. I'm finding out I'm not alone. When they start falling out, it's like, yeah, okay. I went and did the denture thing, and they told me I had osteoporosis of the mouth.
So they suggested I just remove all of my teeth. So, of course, I'm only 32, so really young. So it's been a rough, don't make me start crying.
And I had a bridge, and I had crowns, and then I had most of my back molar pulled out. And financially, I just couldn't afford it anymore, so I just kind of had to live with that.
When I got married to my husband, Hap, he got me my first dentures and stuff. His dream was this, and I lost him a year ago to cancer. So this is being able to fulfill what he wanted for me.
The breaking point for me when I couldn't take it anymore was when the pain wouldn't stop. I was doing emergency dentist visits probably every other week, and that was way too expensive, so I just had somebody remove them.
I wasn't gonna cry. Except my cheeks are all fat like a chipmunk.
Only for now.
Wow. They are beautiful.
Yeah,
my kids are gonna be so happy and proud. Crazy. I look better when I'm not so swollen.
Yeah.
I'm like a baboon.
You look great.
You look great.
Yeah. Awesome.
That is so much better than dentures. That is so... Thank you.
Oh wow, that does look way different. And this is not it though, right? Like you said, you'll have to keep adjusting.
Temporaries, man. Mm-hmm.
That is insane.
Look.
Dr. Dune found out I was getting ready to graduate, and he had me teeth the day before graduation. I smiled so big. I can show you a picture. You can just pick me out of the crowd because I'm the one with the biggest smile. Because I wasn't just smiling for me. I was smiling for a lot of people that I represent that are just like me. So Dr. Dune didn't just give me my teeth, he gave me my life.
I'm a lot happier now because I can smile like that. And I get a lot of compliments at work from my colleagues because I look better.
One of the most rewarding things that we actually do
is the impact that these procedures can do for someone. Because what I found over the past 10 years of doing this is it's not just teeth. When you can give someone back a smile and you know, the teeth are failing, they've been through the bad part of dentistry over and over again, like, you know, failing root canals, infection, all of these things. When we can go ahead and hit the reset button and give you back this beautiful smile, there's confidence, there's enjoying the meals with your family. We get text messages of our patients with their family members at Thanksgiving dinner or out just having a good time. You don't have to think about what's on the menu and have to like order, you know, soup and mashed potatoes because you're worried about something. You can go out there and live your fullest life and have these true connections with your friends and family. And that's why I really focus on surgery, is because we're able to give this back to our patients and give it back to people within the community and really have a lasting mark from a surgical perspective all the way through a good set of really, you know, beautiful teeth that function the way that they used to when you were 12. So give us a call. We're at Greeley Dental Care. Our number is 970-352-4242, and we're here to help.